Welcome back. In this video, we are going to solve a structural design problem that involves a wall footing design using LRFD method based on eStructural Design Zen found on the App Store. Design a wall footing using load and resistance factor design for a 250 mm concrete wall carrying a uniform dead load of 225 kN per meter and uniform live load of 450 kN per meter. Design criteria as follows: strength of concrete 35 megapascal, main bars 20 mm bar grade 414, temperature bars 16 mm bar grade 414, soil bearing capacity 240 kilopascal. The wall footing carries a uniform dead load of 225 kN per meter and uniform live load of 450 kN per meter for a factored uniform load of 990 kN per meter. Enumerate input parameters required. Name of footing, WF13, depth from natural grade line, 900 mm, main bars, 20 mm bar at grade 414, temperature bars, 16 mm bar at grade 414, strength of concrete, 35 megapascal, soil bearing capacity, 240 kilopascal, wall thickness, 250 mm concrete wall, and factored uniform load 990 kN per meter. Given allowable soil pressure equals 240 kilopascal, depth from natural grade line equals 900 mm, and assumed footing depth equals 510 mm, the effective soil pressure is 221.52 kilopascal. Given uniform dead load equals 225 kN per meter, and uniform live load equals 450 kN per meter, the footing width is 3.05 meters, and the ultimate soil pressure is 324.59 kilopascal. Critical section diagrams for moment evaluation. Critical section diagrams for shear evaluation. Given ultimate soil pressure equals 324.59 kilopascal, footing width is 3.05 meters, and concrete wall thickness equals 250 mm, the maximum moment is 318.098 kN meter. Given resistance factor equals 0.9, B equals 1000 mm, and D equals 425 mm, the beam design ratio Rn equals 1.957 megapascal, and reinforcement ratio Rho equals 0.00489. Given Rho equals 0.00489, B equals 1000 mm, and D equals 425 mm, the area of steel for main bars is 2078.25 square millimeters, and the spacing for 20 mm bar is 150 mm. The area of steel for temperature bars is 2799.9 square millimeters, and the number of bars for 16 mm bar is 14. The factored shear force is 316.475 kN. The nominal shear force is 421.967 kN, less than 427.437 kN concrete capacity. Design recommendation as follows: FC prime equals 35 megapascal, Fy equals 414 megapascal, QA equals 240 kilopascal. Footing size is 3050 mm by 510 mm. Depth of footing from natural grade line 900 mm. Main bars of grade 414, 20 mm bar at 150 mm on center. Temperature bars of grade 414, 14 pieces, 16 mm bar at 224 mm on center. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel.